Hey guys, so the sun is out and up. Look at that. Okay, magpapawis tayo, magpasingot tayo ng very light. And then after that, we'll be walking around the lake. So the lake is about 30 minutes drive away from the basketball courts. I'm the only person here today, so solo ko ang basketball court. And then dito sa tabi is actually an oval. Okay, almost every night people are playing football, cricket in this oval. Malaki siya, dalawa siya actually, isa dito, tapos yung sa likod ng building na yan, may isa ding oval. Okay, pwede pala ditong mag ano guys, ito ping pong ito. Tapos may children's playground dyan. Tapos ito, pwede kayo ditong mag sort of like picnic dito. Diba? Pero syempre, i-try natin na maging health video pa din tong daily vlog ko. Okay? Let's play basketball. But then, I'm gonna tell you what are the benefits of playing basketball. What are the benefits of being physically active, especially playing basketball. Eto yon. It's a good exercise guys, especially pag medyo hangak and then paspas ang heartbeat and then pinagpapawisan. That's a good exercise. Pero as long as you keep on moving, you're not just sitting there the whole day, maganda yan sa katawan, maganda yan for your mental health. Pag pinapapawisan, maganda yan for your skin, maganda yan for your overall health. Hindi tayo magtatagal guys kasi may mga tae ng ibon. So pag mahulog dyan ang bola, diretso landing dyan. So maganda dito. Punta na tayo sa lake. Okay guys, andito na tayo. So dyan na muna yan. And then we will be driving to the lake. Hey guys, we're here at the lake now. Oops! Sayang lang hindi nila tinorn on yung fountain. Usually kasi may fountain dyan, pero naka-turn off siya at the moment. I don't know why. Maybe broken or under maintenance. Pero look at this, oh. Ang daming mga wild birds dito. It only shows, or it only means that the lake is healthy and it can provide food and shelter for wild animals such as these birds. Marami pa sila dyan. Hanapin natin ang swan kasi nagagandahan ako sa family of swan dito. Meron na din sila mga babies. I don't know if you can remember, guys, so let's start walking. I don't know if you can remember, guys, nagawan ko na ito ng video, parang 2 videos na in the past. Kasi napakaganda ng lake na ito. It's only 3 minutes drive away from our place. Again, like what I said, let's make this video a health video. Ano nga ba ang benefits ng walking? guys, I'm ending my vlog here. Hope you've enjoyed our lake side tour. Always remember, let's get physical and stay healthy. Bye.